If you're an Amazon influencer, you'll be excited to know that we now have a new feature we can promote on our storefronts. We can promote Amazon subscriptions. If you notice at the top of my storefront here, I have a curation, and you see there I'm promoting Prime Video. Let's scroll down a little bit further because I want to show you that I have an ideas list. And this ideas list features all of the subscriptions that we're currently able to start promoting on our storefront. So that's Amazon Prime Video, Audible, Amazon Music, and Prime Student. So let me know if you're interested in knowing how to add any of these subscriptions to your storefront in an ideas list or in a curation. Leave me a comment and I'll be sure to hook you up with a tutorial. But for now, it's your girl, Miss Ileane, signing off saying, stay beautiful.